Hey guys, in today I'm bringing you a new Matplotlib tutorial in which I'm going to show you how you can create circles and then you can use them in your plots. So it's going to be in a Jupyter Notebook style so you can follow along. First of all, as always, we start by importing our Matplotlib library in the standard way. And then, as I can show you here, this first simple script is how you create a circle. First of all, you need to create let's say the object of a circle with this function plt, as we imported matplotlib as plt here, dot circle. This is what it will do. This piece of code here is just for just the axes and this line, so you can see a little better what's happening. But the important thing is you first create the circle object here, and then you add it as a patch in the axis. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Once you created your circle, you just type add patch and the circle. Okay, so these arguments here are first of all the center of the circle. It will be at 0.505 and the radius. Okay, so if I do it bigger, so you can get that you get a bigger or a smaller one, depends on what you want. Okay. Now, some things we can do with this circle. First of all, we want maybe the circle to be empty. So you type fill and false. This will create a circle that's empty, and it only will show the edge. Now, logical thing to be is that to change the edge color. So it's just like that edge color. Maybe you want it to be red, and maybe also the line width. You want it to be 3. It gets thicker, and maybe you can also change the line style. Okay, maybe you want this one or that one, depends on what you want. This is the final result. Another thing is if you want it to be not, you want it to be filled, but you can change the different colors. So you can see here, you have the face color and edge color, so you can play with that. Blue, red. Okay, so it depends on what you want, and you still can use the line style, the line width, whatever you want. You can use it here as well. Okay. And finally, I want to show you that you can create more than 2 circles in one similar plot. And before of that, I want to say that you can find all these parameters, all of that in the documentation that will be linked in the description of the video. Okay, so you can check that. So finally, I want to show you how you can create more than one circle in the same plot. It's just the same. Okay, so you create a new object and you add both times in the axis. And here you have to keep in mind that when we are adding in Matplotlib, it's like if we were painting. So the thing we add later will be the thing that goes on top. Okay, so if I, okay, so circle 1 is blue, so let's say blue, and circle 2 is black. So if I put first the black circle and then the blue, this will invert. So now we have the blue circle on top. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you are drawing your pictures or you are using these figures in some of your plots. So I hope you guys find it useful. Leave me in the comments if you have some doubts, and I will try to answer them as fast as possible. And see you guys in the next video.